Have you ever noticed some people can't stand clutter? I don't mean a little mess on the desk. Think piles of papers, random socks, or dishes left out. Here's something wild. Some people's heart rate actually rises when they see clutter. Their brain reacts almost like it's under threat. Ignoring it, that can spike stress even more. It's not about cleaning. It's about something much deeper happening in their mind. Every item they remove gives a tiny dopamine hit, the same brain chemical you get when you achieve a goal. That rush isn't just satisfying, it's controlling the chaos their brain craves. People who can't tolerate clutter are often seeking control, not just over their stuff, but over life itself. When work is stressful, relationships are messy, or the world feels unpredictable, a clear desk or shelf becomes their sanctuary. Even small acts of tidying quiet their mental noise. Studies show that cluttered spaces increase cortisol, the stress hormone, making anxiety worse. For them, organizing, even just a little, is like hitting the mute button on mental chaos. It's not OCD, it's coping. That pile of laundry that keeps staring at you? Yeah, that counts too. Clutter also drains mental energy. Every extra item creates decisions: what to wear, what to move, what to ignore. Psychologists call this decision fatigue. People who can't tolerate clutter simplify their world so their brain can focus on what matters most. Here's the surprising part. Clutter tells a story. Every object reflects a past version of themselves. By letting go, or fiercely guarding their minimal space, they're saying, "I know who I am. I won't let chaos define me." It's not just neatness, it's self-respect and intentional living. For them, an empty desk, a cleared counter, or a free shelf isn't just clean, it's potential. It's breathing room for the mind. Studies even suggest that cluttered desks can reduce productivity by up to 20%, so this habit isn't just emotional, it's strategic. After a breakup, a stressful week, or a life change, decluttering acts like a reset button. They aren't just moving objects, they're reclaiming control, quieting anxiety, and creating space for growth. And here's the part most people don't realize. Some of the most creative and successful people in history were famously clutter-free. Their space reflected their mental clarity and helped them think bigger, faster, and smarter. So next time you see someone obsessively straightening things, don't judge. It's not about cleaning, it's about psychology, identity, and control. Think your space is just messy? Maybe it's telling you more than you realize. Drop a comment and hit subscribe. You might be shocked by what your clutter says about you.